I'm going to show you how to screenshot. So there is 3 different methods of how we can screenshot, and I'm going to show you the fastest and the easiest way, which is to press this button right here, right on your screen. On this side, on the right side, you have 2 buttons. You have the power button, which is this. The power button is the lower one, and then you have the volume up, volume down, volume up, volume down, which is the upper one. So what you want to do to screenshot is you want to actually click the volume down. There is 2 buttons on that, remember, but you want to click the one on the bottom, the volume down, and then you want to click the power button at the same time. So if we go ahead and snap both of those at the same time, you can see the screen flickering and it created a screenshot. And if you want to edit that screenshot, you want to go into it as soon as it actually takes, so you can actually edit it. So let's do that one more time. Screenshot, and then we can press down here where we took the screenshot, and you can do a bunch of other stuff with it. But since we're just taking a screenshot, that's method number 1. That is the easiest method. If that is actually messing with you, there is a second method where you actually just take your palm and swipe over your screen, and you can see the screen flickering. It means it just took a screenshot. To demonstrate this, let me open this application here, which is the Google Play Store. But just swipe your palm from left to right, and your screen will flicker to show you that it took a screenshot. You can see it down here that we just taken. If you open the gallery, you can see all the screenshots that you have actually taken and all other pictures that you've taken in your gallery right here. You can see right now we've taken 3 of them. Now, to activate that one though, where you swipe your palm from left to right over the screen in order for you to take that screenshot, you have to go into settings. So we're going to go into the settings up here. We're going to go into the settings. And in the settings, you want to scroll on the left to go all the way where it says advanced features. And in advanced features, you want to go on the right side now where it says motion and gestures. Where it says motion and gestures right here. So in motion and gestures, you're going to see a bunch of other options you have in here, but you want to go where it says all the way on the bottom where it says palm swipe to capture. That's the one you actually use to activate the palm swiping from left to right in order for you to be able to capture a screenshot. So those are 2 methods that we've seen. Now let's go to the third method, which is my favorite, of course. So the third method is you have to be using your pen. You can see my pen is active. I don't know if you can see I'm using my pen. But remember, your pen has this floating widget, if you can see it right here. So you want to tap into that widget, and if you go and use the option that says screen write, it will take a screenshot right away in order for you to annotate or to write or to do anything. Now you can definitely start editing here by writing things on, highlighting things and all that stuff. But if you just want to take a screenshot, you could just go ahead and click save on this button right here, and it will save your screenshot in the Samsung Galaxy Fold. So thank you so much for watching, guys. That was an easy one, but it was just to show you how all the 3 different methods you could use to take screenshots on your Samsung phone. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye for now.